Help prevent cheating by randomizing quiz questions or sections so each learner receives a quiz attempt with a unique question order. This tutorial shows how to shuffle the order of questions and sections in a quiz. To begin, from the Quizzes tool, select the context menu for the quiz you would like to shuffle questions in, and select Edit. Navigate to the Quiz Questions section. To view the questions associated with the quiz, click Shuffle Order of Questions at the quiz level. Note, this option becomes available once you have added questions to the quiz. Click Save. Navigate back to the Quiz Questions section to view the Shuffled at Quiz Level icon. When creating or editing a section, click Shuffle Order of Questions in this section. Note, shuffling a section repositions the order of the sections as well as the questions within them. Help prevent cheating by randomizing quiz questions or sections so each learner receives a quiz attempt with a unique question order.